Hey guys, I just signed up for Apollo.io. I have not used Apollo before. I've definitely seen their Trustpilot score, which is pretty brutal. But I wanted to figure out what's going on here because their platform looks really good on the surface. So I'm going to shoot this video and I'm going to incorporate this data into our data comparison table right over here, which I'm not sure if you get to see this or not, but you should be able to see this where we've compared leads from different sources. Shout out Josh Nelson at the Seven Figure Agency for starting the spreadsheet. So let's jump into Apollo and run the test here. I'm going to jump right back over here. And how can we help? LinkedIn Prospector, Apollo Database. Use our Chrome extension to find contact information straight from LinkedIn. That's not going to help us. What we're trying to do is we are trying to find plumbing shops in Allentown, Pennsylvania. And we're looking specifically for the owners of those shops. We want valid emails to reach out to those people with. So let's see what we can get. Obviously, if they've got 12 million companies here, I'm going to guess this is where we can pull data from. I could just sift through LinkedIn, but that's what every platform does. So we're not going to find anything unique there. Name persona. We'll go Allentown, Pennsylvania, plumbing owners. Next, job titles, owner. Let's just go with that. Current locations. United States, advanced options. Can I not get more specific than that? Let's see if I can type down. We'll just go United States for now. And apply to search filters. Let's see what we can do. I'm just going to move my screen here out of the way. There we go. Okay, apply filters. So there's lots of filters. That's good. Saved contacts. Perfect. Okay, I'm just going to skip this because I don't need that stuff. Location. Enter locations. We can do country, state, zip. Okay, city. Allentown, Pennsylvania. And then we want to find industry and keywords. Let's go plumbing. Plumber. Nothing. Plum. There's nothing for plumbing. Company keywords. Let's try plumbing. Let's see what under advanced settings is known, is not known. No. Okay, we've got 3 in plumbing. Let's try plumber. See if that pulls up anything different. We'll try HVAC. That pulled up some, but still pretty slim. I'm trying to think. Plumbing and heating. I don't know if that will help. This is what we've got. We've got 6 leads, and we had to include HVAC. We do have 1, 2, 3, 4 valid emails because they do say that they validate these emails. So this is what we've got. I'm actually quite shocked. I was hoping to see something better than this, but let's go. There's some cool integrations, but it doesn't help me if I can't use the data anyway. So let's see if any of these show up in our spreadsheet. Let's find out if this is new data or not. Cold email data comparison. And we'll search and paste Joe. Joe is new, so we didn't get Joe. Let's go back to Apollo. And he runs J&J Plumbing and Heating. Oh, but there's no email for him. That's why we didn't get him either. Zach. So let's just look for ones that actually have an email here. We'll go Zach and search for him. Zach. Anything for Zach? No, we did not capture Zach. Let's see if anybody else captured Zach. Find no entries matching Zach. Okay, let's see what's going on there. So if we jump back into Apollo, Zach, Hanbury HVAC, that's why, because it's not really a plumbing shop. It's just heating and ventilation. Yeah, Okay, so that's not relevant either. MLS Design Technologies, that's definitely not a plumber. Wearly Heating and Air Conditioning. Do you do anything in plumbing? They don't do anything in plumbing either. So Melissa Schneck, access email. This is a plumbing company, but no contact information. And then ABM Industries. They are into electrical, lighting, HVAC. Again, no plumbing. So actually, when we look at the details of these leads, there's no plumbing companies that Apollo can find. It's a nice platform. I like the user experience of the layout, but the actual experience itself wasn't very good because I couldn't find any data here. So obviously, I'm laughing a little bit because it's very satisfying to see this happen. But unfortunately, this just didn't work, and they weren't able to find any plumbing shops in Allentown, Pennsylvania. So this is the case study for Apollo.io. Thanks for watching.